Pash and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest.
Hey y'all.
It's my cousin. I call her Aggie, but y'all can call her Ashlee. Today we are making Christmas cookies. As you can see, we got on our Christmas gear. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are going to start with our flour. We're adding 1 cup. Ooh, pack that in there. And then 1/3 cup.
This is also flour.
And then we are going to add 1/4 cup of our cane sugar. Why is it water in it? I didn't dry it good.
Bruh.
Wow, bro. Okay, wow. All right, so then we are going to add our baking powder. How much we need of that? Baking powder.
That's 3/4.
I guess.
I mean, you can't talk now because you done told the people who got water in the pan. So.
Listen, just chill. Okay, 3/4. 3/4 of baking powder. Drop that thing in there. Boom. Next, the baking soda. How much do we need?
Baking soda, 1/2.
Okay. Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Okay. Y'all, she didn't have any measuring cups. Like, this is why I'm struggling. Y'all know I normally have my stuff ready to go, but that's what happened when you try to go to other people's house and cook. They don't have what you need. Because of the way it's like cut open, it'll be alright. Alright, so we're using 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Alright, so then, what else we need to add?
You got sea salt?
Sea salt. Okay, now we got sea salt. We're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of that.
Not 1/2, just 1/2.
1/2? What I say? 1/2? 1/2. Thanks, assistant chef. So we're gonna add 1/2 of that. Okay. All right, so that is it for our dry ingredients. I lied. We gotta add our brown sugar. So we're gonna add 2/3 cup of that. All right, so that's 1/3, 2/3.
Of brown sugar.
All right, now we are ready to move on to our wet ingredients. What do we need first?
1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil.
Okay, 1/3 cup. This one. Okay. And before I pour it in, I'm gonna give y'all a little close up of the dry ingredient. All our hard work. My hard work. This girl is literally standing here.
We
Let
should
me do all the
cook
work.
the oven on 350.
You're right. That's your job.
Yeah.
About time she does some work. All right, this is our 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. What's next? Who's next? Go. All right.
1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay, teaspoon. I think I brought that. No, I brought a tablespoon. Yo, I've been saying tablespoon this whole time. We've been using a teaspoon, y'all. My bad. Okay, so you said how much?
1.5 tablespoon.
Okay. Tablespoon?
Teaspoon. Teaspoon.
Cancel.
What
All right.
is Aquafaba?
Aquafaba.
Did
So,
we add that already?
no, not yet. That's a great question.
That's a dry ingredient.
No, it's wet. So actually, it's the liquid of a can of chickpeas. So either you can use a can or you can use fresh chickpeas. And basically what you do is you use that liquid and it makes it thicker. If you're not new to my channel, you've seen that before. You said 1.5?
1.5.
Okay. What's the concentration for me? That's a little bit more than a half. But you do 1.5 at home. Okay, next.
Let's see. Chickpeas.
Okay, so how much we need of that?
3 tablespoons.
Okay, now, what we're gonna do is you just pour it straight out the can, or if you cooked it, you would use the liquid from when you boiled it, and we're gonna add 3 tablespoons. And you can see that it's like really thick. You see it? Okay, so you just add that in there. That's our secret ingredient to make the cookies stay together. So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of that. That's 2. And 3. All right, what's next? All right, and this is what we looking like before we start mixing. Okay. So once you got everything added to your bowl, you mix it up until everything is well incorporated. Just gonna spray some Pam so it doesn't stick. Saucy. All right.
That smells so good.
So excited. You brought me 2.
No, what I did was put up the bag and put it right there.
She literally bought 4, but trying to judge me for using the one she brought. Okay. All right, y'all. So we have. Ooh, I'm so excited. It looks so good. All right. So we got our dough. Just form it like into a little ball. I don't know. Probably big because our cutters are so big, like this one. Yeah. And then we can always like use the excess. Why would you need 2 gloves? Why would you need 2?
2 gloves, everyone.
Oh, okay. Yikes. That's why you don't accept peer pressure. Because I would have had my 2 gloves on if she didn't say nothing. You know what? It's actually not even that bad.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, it's kind of ugly right there, though. Okay. Let me fix that. Okay, show
Why
her.
it's so thick?
It's, I mean, the rest of them thick though. You kind of, excuse me. Show out. Mine look real rough. It's okay though. Do you watch Versus?
Versus as in the singing Versus?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I don't watch it. I watch it only when they have like, you know, big stars on it.
Were you gonna watch one with Ashanti and
Yeah, people got so good.
what's her name? Keisha Cole. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot of people saying that they feel like she don't really have it. She just scared. What you think?
I mean, why would she be scared? She can sing, right?
I mean, okay, let me think. Ashanti. She got good songs. She got really good songs. Baby, 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 baby.
She's got no songs. You actually know.
You right. I'm trying to think. Honestly, Keisha Cole got love. What else? Okay. Evan's ready. What else she got? Keisha Cole got that.
I haven't made music in a minute.
Okay, but it's more than that. It gotta be. They wanna have a whole verses with one song.
Right?
No, it have to be. I don't know. I haven't heard it music in so long. I'm trying to think. Who would I like more? Dang, now I need to know more songs. This is driving me crazy.
5 hours later.
Yo, this is driving me crazy. I can't think of no more songs they had. I'm so serious. She had love. Ashanti. Wow, that's crazy. I can't think of no other songs for them. But I was excited for the verses.
Yeah, everybody was. It was great. People like, you don't really have COVID. You didn't check, you know,
Bruh, the day of, that's why I'm like, sketchy. What? The one that I did, she just had to move it. Alright, y'all. So we got our beautiful cookies. I wanna spaces. You don't think so? Like maybe a little one like that.
Yeah.
These little round cookies. At least you're doing some kind of work. Is that okay, boss?
Not there.
Boss? Okay. How's that? Alright.
Alright.
No comment. No comment. Alright, we're gonna give y'all a close-up of the cookies and then we're gonna put them in the oven to bake.
12 seconds later.
Dang, I really this is driving me crazy. Keisha Cole. She had love. Alright, y'all, here is a close-up of our Christmas cookies. Some of them look a little rough. I'm not gonna say who did it, because clearly it wasn't me. Because mine is like beautiful or whatever. Not the dash of hash. Alright, so we're gonna let them bake.